Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter full-size cargo van. This accident-free, one-owner van is powered by a 3-liter turbo diesel V6 paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. You can access your cargo area through the split opening rear doors. You can also access the rear cargo area through the passenger side rear sliding door. Moving to the interior, you have storage in the door panel, power windows and mirrors. On the steering wheel is your display controls, hands-free audio, and cruise control just behind. You have your Bluetooth-ready infotainment unit, a storage panel at the top of the dash, your climate controls, as well as your door locks, flip-out cup holder, and gear select. There's also additional storage at the top along the roof. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2017 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter full-size cargo van. If you'd like to see this van in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.